Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Herkese merhaba, ben Seda. Hi everybody, my name is Seda. Welcome to turkishclass101.com. Hepiniz hoş geldiniz. Nasılsınız? Bugün Türkçe'de negatif konusunu konuşacağım. In this video, I will be talking about negation in Turkish. Okay? I will try to divide it into 4 sections so it's easier to understand. 1. Negative to be verb in present past future. 2. There isn't and there wasn't. And 3. Regular verbs for present, past, future. And 4. Models in negative. Okay? 4 sections. Since every tense and modal conjugation, you can make a negative version of it, which is a lot, I will try to keep it basic. So it won't stuff your brains with a lot of information at once and you get lost. And since I'm talking about negation, I'm assuming you know the affirmative positive versions of the conjugations. So I'm not going to go through them again. So let's start with the first one. Negative to be verb in present tense. It is değil. When we conjugate it, it's according to the pronouns. It goes like this. Ben değilim. Ben değilim. I'm not. Sen değilsin. Sen değilsin. You are not. O değil. He, she is not. O değil. Biz değiliz. We are not. Biz değiliz. Siz değilsiniz. You are not. Siz değilsiniz. You are not. Onlar değiller. They are not. Onlar değiller. And some sentences. Ben üzgün değilim. I'm not sad. Ben üzgün değilim. Ben üzgün değilim. Onlar yorgun değiller. They are not tired. Onlar yorgun değiller. Onlar yorgun değiller. When it comes to the past tense for the to be negative, we have 2 different forms. One we add the suffix dı, to değil, and the other we add the suffix mış to değil, and after these suffixes we add the pronouns. Okay? Goes like this. Ben değildim. Ben değilmişim. I wasn't. Sen değildin. Sen değilmişsin. You weren't. O değildi. O değilmiş. He, she, it wasn't. Biz değildik. Siz değilmişsiniz. We weren't. Siz değildiniz. Siz değilmişsiniz. You weren't. Onlar değildiler. Onlar değilmişler. They weren't. Let's give some examples, okay? Dün okulda değilmişsin. I heard that you weren't at school yesterday. Dün okulda değilmişsin. Dün okulda değilmişsin. Evde değildim. I wasn't at home. Evde değildim. Evde değildim. Let's see how it is with future tense. We use olmamak, not to be. To be or not to be. It goes like this. Olmayacağım. Olmayacağım. I won't be. Olmayacaksın. You won't be. Olmayacak. He, she, it won't be. Olmayacağız. Asla olmayacağız. We won't be. Olmayacaksınız. You won't be. So dramatic. Olmayacaklar. They won't be. I'm having fun. Let's give some examples. Yarın evde olmayacağım. I won't be at home tomorrow. Yarın evde olmayacağım. I would say, yarın evde olmayacağım. Olmayacağım. Seneye İzmir'de olmayacak. She won't be in Izmir next year. Seneye İzmir'de olmayacak. Seneye İzmir'de olmayacak. That's it. That's it. So we are done with the to be verb. And let's see the next one, which is there isn't and there wasn't. We say var for there is and yok for there is not. So it's very simple. Araba yok. There is no car. Araba yok. Araba yok. Yarın okul yok. There is no school tomorrow. Yarın okul yok. Yarın okul yok. And for the past tense, we add either to or mush. Let's see. Hiç araba yoktu. Hiç araba yokmuş. There wasn't any car. Hiç araba yoktu. Hiç araba yokmuş. Evde yemek yoktu. Evde yemek yokmuş. There wasn't any food at all. Evde yemek yoktu. Evde yemek yokmuş. Sorry. Okay, now let's see the basic tenses in negatives. First, our present tense. Normally we add ır suffix to the affirmative sentences. For example, gelirim, gelirsin, gelir. Do you know how to conjugate it? Geliriz, gelirsiniz, gelirler. This is the positive, affirmative, regular one. So, when we make it negative, let's see how it's done. And it means I come, you come, so on. The ir in the middle is for present tense, but for the negative, we take out the ir and we add me, ma, maz, mes. Let's see. The formula is like this. Stem, ma, me, maz, mes, and pronoun suffix. For example, gel, mem, gel, mez, sin, gel, mez, gel, me, yiz, gel, mez, nis, gelmezler. I don't come, you don't come. It goes like that, so. Let's make one more with a different vowel. Kalmak, to stay. Kalma, I don't stay. Kalmazsın, kalmaz. Kalmayız. Kalmazsınız. Kalmazlar. Again, I don't stay, you don't stay, we don't stay, blah, blah, blah in English. So, you can practice with different verbs. Go. Take notes and practice. Let's see the past tense now, and I will use only simple past as an example. For of all the tenses, the basics are the same. We use me, ma to make the verb negative. For example, aldım. Okay? Aldın. What is this? I took, you took, or I bought, you bought. Aldım, aldın, aldı. Aldık, aldınız, aldılar. This is the affirmative, positive version. Okay, I took, you took, so on. This is how we make it simple past. Don't forget, I'm not talking about the affirmative sentences, so I passed these examples quickly. If you don't know how to conjugate these, you should first study the affirmative versions before this lesson. This is for just the negatives. Anyhow, let's see how we make it into negative. We add again mema after stem before the past suffix. The formula goes like this. Stem, mema, dı, pronoun suffix. Almadım, almadın, almadı, almadık, almadınız, almadılar. I didn't take, you didn't take, blah blah blah blah blah. So, vermek, to give. Vermedim, I didn't give. Vermedin, vermedi, vermedik, vermediniz, vermediler. Okay? I didn't give, you didn't give, she didn't give, blah blah blah blah, so on. Okay? I hope it's not very confusing. Now, the last one, the future tense. Normally we add acak, ecek as a suffix for the future tense. For example, geleceğim, geleceksin, gelecek, geleceğiz, geleceksiniz, gelecekler. I will come, you will come, blah blah blah. Okay? Do you remember? Ecek, acak. So, how do we make negative with future tense? When we make it negative, we keep the acak, ecek, but put mame before it, okay? So, the formula goes like this. Stem, mame, acak, ecek, and the pronoun suffix. So, gelmek, to come. Gelmeyeceğim, gelmeyeceksin, gelmeyecek, gelmeyeceğiz, gelmeyeceksiniz, gelmeyecekler. Let's see another example. Görmek, to see. Görmeyeceğim, görmeyeceksin, görmeyecek, görmeyeceğiz, görmeyeceksiniz, görmeyecekler. They won't see blah blah blah. Okay guys, now we have the fourth one. That was a lot. I hope you're not confused. So the last one of our list is models. Now let's check out some negative models. We will learn about cannot and should not. Okay? Not all of them, just cannot, should not. Let's start with the cannot. Normally for can, we add the suffix abil to the stem. For cannot, we don't use bil part, but keep the ae, and voila, it becomes negative. Let's assume we have gelmek, to come. For present tense, I would say gelirim, I come. Gelebilirim, I can come. Gelmem, I don't come. Gelemem, I cannot come. So as you can see, it's just like the simple present negative, but with an extra a in the word. Sometimes the buffer letter ye. So let's conjugate gelmek. Gelemem, ben gelemem, sen gelemezsin, o gelemez, biz gelemeyiz, siz gelemezsiniz, onlar gelemezler. I cannot come, you cannot come, etc. Let's see uyumak. Sleep. We have a buffer letter here in this one. Uyuyamam, uyuyamazsın, uyuyamaz, uyuyamayız, uyuyamazsınız, and uyuyamazlar. I can't sleep, you can't sleep, and so on. So, the final negative, shouldn't. This is a funny one. Normally should in Turkish is meli or malı, but when it becomes negative, we add ma or me to them. And they become memeli, mamalı, and it's sometimes very confusing for beginners. But don't worry, it takes some getting used to, so just practice. Let's see some examples. Düşünmek, to think. Düşünmemeliyim. Düşünmemelisin. Düşünmemeli. Düşünmemeliyiz. Düşünmemelisiniz. Düşünmemeliler. I shouldn't think, you shouldn't think, etc. One more example and we are done, okay? Nefret etmek, to hate, a big word. Nefret etmemeliyim. Nefret etmemelisin. Nefret etmemeli. Nefret etmemeliyiz. Nefret etmemelisiniz. Nefret etmemeliler. They shouldn't hate, I shouldn't hate, blah blah blah. Tired. Okay? You know the gist. It goes like that. Okay, that was long. I hope it's a little bit clearer now. Hope you enjoyed it. If it's still a little vague for you, go watch this again, okay? And stop the video time to time and take notes. That's it, guys. In this video, we have learned the negatives in a positive manner. Okay, if you want to study more and if you want to be able to have real Turkish conversations with native speakers, just click the link in the description and sign up for free at turkishclass101.com. I will see you next time. Hoşça kalın. Görüşürüz.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.